Welcome to The Foundry by Forge College. Imagine you are managing a busy, high-end commercial kitchen. Now imagine a strict rule in this kitchen. Every single time the chef pulls open the heavy door to the walk-in refrigerator, a cash register automatically charges your restaurant $50. If you were managing that restaurant, you wouldn't let the chef casually open the fridge for every single carrot or stick of butter. You would reorganize the prep work so the chef pulls all the ingredients out exactly once per night. Ethereum smart contracts operate on this exact same logic. Every action on the network costs a fee called gas, and permanently saving data to the blockchain, an action developers call a storage right, is the equivalent of opening that $50 refrigerator. In our previous lesson, Advanced Event Log Analysis, we learned how to read the digital receipts our contract generates. Now, we use the data from those logs to find out exactly where our code is opening the fridge too often. Performance optimization is the targeted act of finding those specific, expensive pockets of waste and fixing them to save money. We don't guess how to make the code faster. We measure exactly where it is most expensive. This diagram shows the 4 primary operations, or levers, that drive up a smart contract's gas bill, mapped directly to our kitchen. The first lever is computation. This is the actual math and logic the contract executes. Think of it as the chef actively chopping vegetables on a prep counter. It takes effort, but it is relatively cheap. The second lever is storage. This means saving data permanently to the blockchain. As we know, this is our $50 refrigerator, and it is overwhelmingly the most expensive operation on the grid. Third is cal data. This is the process of reading incoming instructions from a user. It is very much like a chef reading a new order ticket that just printed on the line. Finally, we have events. This is how the contract announces what just happened to the outside world, like the chef ringing a loud bell to tell the waiter an order is ready. Successful optimization means balancing these 4 operations. The goal is to keep your data out on the cheap prep counter of computation as long as possible, rather than constantly reaching into the expensive refrigerator of permanent storage. To help developers locate exactly where these costs are hiding within a contract, Forge College programs use this iceberg mental model, divided into 3 layers. At the surface layer, the tip of the iceberg, we have the visible elements. These are the user interfaces, the transaction receipts, and those order bells we call events. Just below the waterline is the subsurface layer. This is where data storage happens, those expensive trips to the fridge. In almost every application, this specific layer is where we find the most resource-intensive work. At the very bottom is the deep core. This holds the heavy, complex math and the underlying library code that handles the computation. The golden rule of optimization is to never guess where the problem lives. You use the event logs you gathered earlier to pinpoint the exact layer of the iceberg causing the issue. By isolating the problem layer, you can make the tiniest, least invasive change possible. You fix the leak without breaking the rest of the application. This timeline illustrates the strict 6-step workflow developers follow to execute an optimization safely, starting here with Step 1, baseline. Before you touch a single line of code, you measure the exact current cost of the transaction. Then you move to Step 2, hypothesize. The developer predicts exactly how much gas a specific change will save. Step 3 is micro-benchmark. You take that one isolated change and test it in a safe, simulated environment to see if your math holds up. Step 4 is implement. Once the change is proven in isolation, you confidently apply it to the actual smart contract code. Step 5 is measure. You compare the new cost against your original baseline to verify the expected savings. And Step 6 is the safety check. The developer confirms all the core logic still functions perfectly and prepares a backup plan to revert to the old version just in case. Following these steps ensures you always have a safety net before pushing a change live. Professional performance optimization is a measurable, testable science experiment that relies entirely on hard data. Mastering these optimization strategies makes the decentralized Web3 world faster, cheaper, and more accessible for everyone. To dive deeper into this subject and explore other courses on smart contract development and Web3 architecture, visit forge.college. Thank you for watching. Gather your baselines and your event logs, because you are now ready for the upcoming capstone module.